clean the manure. After seeing how to clean the manure, let's go upstairs to see the equipment. Okay, let's go upstairs to see the equipment. This is our automatic egg collection machine. Compared to the common egg collection machine, we enter the protection net. And also we enter the egg tray holder. So the workers can put the egg tray here and directly put the eggs to the egg tray. Very easy to work. And one worker collect 1 hour can collect about 8,000 eggs. It's very convenient, and this is the control box for the both side of the egg collector. When you want to collect eggs, you just need to press the button, so all the eggs will come here. There is the chicken cages. It is 5 nests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nests and 4 chickens in 1 nest. So the one set of the chicken cage can raise 120 chickens. This is 3 tiers. 1, 2, 3. This is the egg belt. The eggs drops to here, and the egg belt will ring, so the eggs will roll to the egg plate. The egg plate will ring and transfer the eggs to the front of the egg collection plate. This is the water pressure regulator. It is used to adjust the water pressure to make sure all the chickens can get enough of water. And the water comes from the soft tube. Here it is a square water pipe. We can see this one. This is the square water pipe. This is thicker, so it can avoid the glue. And this is the nipple drinker, valued nipple drinker. It is 360 degree spring waters. And you can see we also put a round plate on the divider, so both nests of the chickens can get water from here. 2 nests enjoy 1 nipple drinker. And you also can see there are some different height from the water pipe to the cage. It is about 10 centimeters. We use metal wire to make it higher because it is adjusted to the chickens' drinking weight. The chickens like to raise their hand to drink water, so they like the elevated water line. Did you notice this metal wire? This is used to hang the cages to the feed trough, so it avoids the chicken cage disform, so it can bear heavy weight chickens. It is a pure PVC feed trough, and it is V-shaped. You can see when outside it is higher and inside it is lower, so it avoids the chickens pouring out and reduce the waste. And also we enter a roller to stamp, so the workers can step on the roller to check the observation position of the chickens. And this one is to support the feeding machine. The workers also can step on the feeding machine roller to stay higher. And the cages, it is hardy galvanized material. Its lifetime is more than 20 years. It's not easy to rust. This is the automatic feeding machine. You can see it is enclosed event to avoid the dust inside of the face and to guarantee the chicken clean. And this is the hole, so you can check the feed amount from the hole. Also, it can remove to check inside. And here we enter a feed return device. You can see there is no cages, but there's still a distance of the feed truck. So this place will have a feed. This design, it can remove the face to inside of the feed truck, so the chickens can eat the face, no waste. To make sure all the chickens have a uniform amount, we also enter a uniform feed description device. And also you can see there are the feed scale. It can be set up according to the chicken age to make sure all the chickens can have same feed amount and the chickens have same feed weight. This is the big wheel for the feed machine move. It can reduce the support of the cage frame. You can see the chicken house, it is very long. It is 108 meters long, and the widest it is 30 meters. And it is 3 rows in total, and the cages it is 3 tiers. The total capacity is 80,000 layer chickens. It is a very cost-effective chickens quantity to use the automatic equipment. Do you see the white water pipe? It is used to loading the fish. The fish from the big silo will the feeding land transfer the fish. You see the big hole? The red one, it is the feed outlet. Then the machine will go forward, stand here, and the fish will drop to the feed machine, and the feed cart will go forward to feed this side of the chickens. This is the frog water device. This is the dosser. You can enter the medicine here, so it can vaccine the chickens. And this is the filter to filter some big pebble stones, big stones. This is the water meter. This is another water filter. And this way it is the control box. This is the control box for the feeding machine, for the feeding land. This is the silo weighing system, so you can know how many fish cost per day. This is the control box for the fans and for the lightings. It can automatically control the opening of the fans. After the temperature is higher than 31 degrees, the fans will start automatically. And when the temperature is lower than the 29 degrees, the fans will close automatically. Isaiah,
Yes.
first, thank you for installing our equipment. And I also want to ask you some questions. First one, how do you think about our cage quality? Do you have something to
Yes,
say?
the quality is good. As you can see, this one is thick metal and coated with galvanized zinc. Other than competitors also, this one is smaller. But this one is good for chicken.
Yes.
Okay. Then also the feed it's plastic, so it's corrosive free against the manure or the feeds, the chemical. It's corrosive. So that's why it's so good. And and then also this one. This is the adjustment, so you can adjust the quantity of the feeds. You can adjust the quantity, the feeds. If you can go thicker, you can adjust just like this one, and then pull it upward. Okay. Then next question.
Okay. That's the question 没有想好。Okay, thank you. Thank you. You like our equipment very much. And how about how do you think about the waterland quality?
Waterline quality.
Yes.
So the waterline quality is good. So as you can see, other competitor, 2 cage, only 1 drinking nipple.
Yes.
And this one is, they have multiple drinking nipples.
Yes.
So each drinking nipple, 1 cage. Other competitor, 1 drinking nipple, 2 cage. Right?
Right. We use one divider, use 1 nipple drinkers. Maybe other suppliers, they use, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But maybe other suppliers, they use 1, 2, 3, only 3. So we use the double quantity of the nipple drinkers.
This one, other competitor, this drinkable nipple is 2 rated. This is the high quality plastic.
Building we just introduced have no chickens, and these buildings already have chickens. You can go there, have a look how they eat and how they drink waters. This is the eggs. Eggs right here. How they drink waters, the chickens will pull out their hand and to take the nipple drinkers. And when they have faith, they also will, like this, they will also will pull out their hands to get faith.
Oh, hari mo, maka ito, okay. Tarlac, you know?